Hello friends! Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to learn about an important computer topic: computer hardware, computer software, virus, and antivirus. Let's start learning. Do you know what a computer is? A computer is an electronic machine that helps us work faster and smarter. A computer works with instructions given by us. But a computer cannot work alone. It needs hardware and software to work properly. Okay, friends, now let's move on and learn about hardware. Hardware means a physical part of a computer. These are the parts we can see and touch. Let us see some examples of hardware. Keyboard, used to type letters and numbers. Mouse, used to point, click, and drag. Monitor, used to see information. CPU, the brain of the computer. Printer, used to print information on paper. Speakers, used to hear sound. Now, let's learn about software. Software is a set of instructions or programs that tell the computer what to do. Software cannot be touched, but we can see it on the screen. Let us see some examples of software. Windows helps us to use a computer. Paint is used for drawing. MS Word is used for typing documents. Calculator is used for calculations. Games are used for entertainment. Hardware and software depends on each other. Hardware is like the body, and software is like the brain. Now let's move on to another topic: computer virus. A computer virus is a bad program. It is like a germ that enters the computer without permission and causes problems. Because of a virus, the computer doesn't work properly. It deletes files, makes the computer slow, and damages important information. So, how can we protect our computer from viruses? Yes, you are right. We have to use antivirus software for that. What is antivirus? Antivirus is a security software that protects the computer from viruses and keeps it safe. Antivirus scans the computer for harmful programs, removes them, and keeps the computer safe. Some examples of antiviruses are Quick Heal, Norton Antivirus, Kaspersky Antivirus, and McAfee. To keep our computer safe, we should always use antivirus software and never click on unknown links. Okay friends, are you ready for a fun quiz? Let's check your computer knowledge. Hardware means your time starts now. Awesome! The answer is parts we can touch. Which one is an input device? Your time starts now. Well done! The answer is mouse. What is software? Your time starts now. Absolutely right! The answer is computer programs. MS Word is used for your time starts now. Good job! The answer is typing. What is a computer virus? Your time starts now. Yes, the answer is bad program. Which one is hardware? Your time starts now. Excellent! The answer is keyboard. What can a virus do? Your time starts now. Great work! The answer is delete files. Which one is software? Your time starts now. Great work! The answer is Windows. What is an antivirus? Your time starts now. Good work! The answer is security software. Why do we need antivirus? Your time starts now. You are right. To protect computer, which helps keep our computer safe. Well done. The answer is antivirus. Okay friends, that's all for today. See you in our next video. Bye bye.